warmth, cold, or even humidity in the air. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can measure that using the Milesight IoT sensor here in the new packaging, specifically the EM320-TH, temperature, humidity, and humidity. In the 868 variant, it's a LoRa warning device, and here, very important, in the product variant with a magnet. That makes a small difference compared to the standard device, but I'll show you that now as we unpack the whole device. I can open it from two sides. Let's go with the top option here and see what happens when we pull the pull tab. A whole box comes out. I think that's great. Everything is very easy to recycle. And now take a look. Here we have everything that comes with the device. I'll quickly take it out and then we'll have a look. Here we have the warranty card. Very important, the quick start guide. That is instructions on how to get the device online and of course some tips for installation. There's also a pole mounting version, the standard version. We don't have that one here. We have the magnetic version. This is, for example, interesting if you're working with a refrigerator or something similar where you need to take measurements. Here, this is the Milesight 320 or EM320-TH. Very important if you ever need to open it. Under these pads here, under these little rubber pads, you'll find the screws for opening it. The whole thing is supposed to be magnetic. That can be tested, of course. Let's take a quick look at how it reacts here. Indeed. Look, it actually sticks to my door hinge, which I brought along for testing. And it's really a strong magnet. It holds the entire sensor without any problem. In addition, of course, you have the mounting strip here. It has a few features. First, if you download the NFC app from Milesight, then you can, if you use the NFC chip, which is always located behind the Milesight logo, you can basically configure the entire device, check what it has done, even load data directly from the device, and also tell it, hey, if you ever lose the connection, please keep recording so that you can retrieve the data in an emergency. So it's really very comprehensive in terms of what you can configure there. To my knowledge, the device itself is even suitable for use in food environments, or for example, if you have medications or similar items. It comes with the necessary certifications, is a completely neutral device, and is even suitable for outdoor use. So in the version you see here, the EM320, it can even be hung outdoors. It's not just a pure indoor sensor, but as I said, it can be used outdoors, can take measurements there, can also be used as a heating sensor, whatever comes to mind, whatever you want to do with it. But that's what we get here. As I said, the magnet is built in directly. You don't have to look for anything extra. You can just stick the thing right onto the fridge and you're good to go. EM320-TH from Milesight Unboxed today. We're always grateful that you watch us here at the IoT shop, and I'll say ciao with a V.